Hello YouTube. So here's the situation. You have Irfan View working awesomely on your computer, and that's fine. It's awesome application, but you need also additional options that demands plugin from official website. So let's do that, because you want to do some kind of JPEG transformation, rotation, cropping or something. I don't know. It's up to you. So yeah, let's go to internet and always download these things from official websites. So Irfan View plugin download, we can go there. So let's go to official website, and yeah, we can get it from here. Plugins. Okay, I'm already here. Genius. So check the 64-bit page for 64-bit plugins. Okay, so let's go there. And a lot of data here. I don't have time for that. So yeah, so downloads, 64-bit downloads. This is application. This is in German, and we have 25 megabytes of plugins. Okay, so let's click here, and right now we are on FOSS Hub. So Irfan View all plugins, 64-bit Windows installer, 25 megabytes. So let's click on that, and it will be done in a split of a second here. So I will pause in the meantime. Okay, we are in business again, so let's open our file. Yes, Irfan View is running, so let's get out from application. Okay, Irfan View plugin setup. This is default installation path. Of course, you can change that when you are installing original application, but don't mess around with plugins. Okay, so plugin setup will, I think, automatically recognize where is original Irfan View. So next, and that's it. Installation successful. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you go, I mean, do that on your own PC. I don't know what you're basically doing. So grab some image here and just go to options to, for example, this one, JPEG lossless rotation, and then you can activate that option that was not available before. So that's pretty much it. So definitely, as always, I will recommend this Irfan View among a couple of other applications as something that will save you tremendous amount of time because of batch processing, you know, conversions, batch renames and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, I don't want to waste your time anymore. This is how you install Irfan View plugins. The awesome application. Do definitely use it. Support the author if you have some kind of money leftovers or something. I don't know. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.